Okay, we're going to do just a basic walk around on me and reinstalling all of the sheet metal stuff that is necessary for the engine to run. We have verified it's got good oil pressure, verified it's got good compression. So we'll start here at the back side of the engine and had to replace the distributor. You'll remember that I put my pump drive tool in there, got oil pressure. I've removed my gauge, put the stock oil filter bolt back in. So we added some sheet metal. We got to get air to go the right way. Distributor, cap, vacuum advance. We also had the shroud put back on. Coil has been added with a bracket. Got a carburetor here. This is a known to be good carburetor. Fuel line, and basically I just tee that right there, and that goes back to just this basic diaphragm style fuel pump. Nothing to write home about. Very, very basic. Make sure that we plug off the vacuum lines. You'll notice that the vacuum lines are plugged off on the carburetor as well. Down here we had to add exhaust manifold. This is what I run the engines with. They're just glass packs. They're loud, but they're enough to where you're not just running a straight pipe. Over on this side we've got sheet metal. Of course, here's our wires. Fuel line on this side. We have a cross shaft that works the linkage. Block off the vacuum port. Oil cooler cover. Have the shroud. The sheet metal is already there. Have to put on a test alternator. That's just so I can get this pulley to go. We added a fan, pulley, belt, and so we are pretty much ready to give this thing a spin and see if we can't fire it up and see what it sounds like.